Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to talk to you about the two interactive fun learning folders that I have been using with my son. We started using this folder technique when he was as young as 18 months old. Yes, and this one, the first one is the one that we had started earlier. This is the more advanced one, and in the description box I'll share a link where I have demonstrated each of the activities when my child was doing it as he was 2 years old. So let's see what all are there in these two folders. So this first folder, as you can see, has his picture on it just to make it more interactive. Kids love to, at this age when he was like 20 or 21 months old, he loved to see his own pictures. So I kind of made it a little personalized with his name written on it. It started with basic things as uppercase ABCD, and I just took free printables from the internet and laminated these sheets. Just check that video out in the description box where I have done a detailed video on how I have created these pages. So I've just cut these shapes and put some velcro to make it adhesive, and that's how he has been learning his shapes. And there are multiple activities. It's an interactive folder basically, so he has matching small animal figurines which he used to match. Now he kind of knows all his animals and fruits and all of these things by heart. So I have upgraded this folder as well. I'll show you what all I have added in the in this folder. This is when we started with the basic things like, you know, identifying numbers and these small animal pictures, and used to love it. So these are some interactive activities that I used to do with him. He still enjoys it. It you know, kind of keeps him in practice of you know, doing his kindergarten or nursery related things. So it went on till the various alphabets, and then there were simple activities which kind of kept him busy. These are interactive activities, just to point out. So now I've added a few more things that he has been doing for a year now. These rainbow colors, our solar system, and I'll show you how I helped him memorize these names. It's there's a trick. I'll probably do a separate video. I'll just show it how he remembers all his planets and his continents and the states and the cities. We are still working on this. These are some of the basic flags that we have started, the parts of a plant, and this months and days of the week. These are again some, you know, interactive color related activities that we used to do, followed by some more activities where we, you know, so I have done, I'll share the link below in the description box where you'll see how he used to do it as a little child. This is like my bunch of, these are my bunch of worksheets that I've downloaded from the internet, and I've kept them in a sheet protector and saved them in this folder so that I don't misplace them. There are multiple worksheets that I have downloaded. I'll probably do a separate video for this. And let's move to the new folder that we are working on right now. So moving forward, this is our new folder. New meaning it's been like quite some months, like for the last 5-6 months. My son is 3.5 now. For the last 5-6 months we have been practicing our writing skills using this folder. So this is more mostly writing based activities and some fun activities. I'll show them in detail. So these are tracing your upper and lower case letters. Now he knows how to write upper and lower letters A through Z, but this helped a lot. I use the same technique. These are DIY sheets. You can make them absolutely free of cost at home. I've just kind of taken a white paper and used a marker pen to create these worksheets. And the advantage of having this kind of a folder is that you don't have to waste multiple number of papers. You can just laminate them and you can use it multiple number of times. So it's very good for their practice. So I've taught him to write his name, and still working on the full name, on the surname, but he can very well write his name and a few small words. This is what he has written himself. So writing and being able to write at a very early age gives them a lot of confidence about their own personality, their own capabilities. So I have always kind of encouraged him, and he used to love scribbling. He used to scribble right from a very early age, but it's helped. This folder and this kind of activity has helped him a lot developing his writing skills. I know a lot of parents might think that these activities come in much later at LKG or something, but it's never too late. I mean, it's never, like we said, it's never too early and never too late. So whenever your child is ready to write and he's like eager to write or learn newer things, you can just offer the materials required. So this is again a little complicated sorting activity game sort of a thing, where he has to count the various objects and write the correct number. So this kind of enhances the visual discrimination skills and help them practice their numbers better, and gives them a lot more confidence of doing things on their own. This is one more tracing activity, just to help him trace and make his own shapes. He has been taking art lessons for a long time now, so he can draw all of these shapes quite well now. But this activity, again, like I said, has really helped him. So this is counting 1 through 50. This is a free printable that I took from the internet and again laminated it. I have upgraded that this chart as well to from 1 to 100, and kind of pasted it on one of the walls. So now he's kind of learning numbers through 100 as well. This is again a tracing activity. What I have done is I have a lot of interactive books. So what I do is whichever page I like in those books, I just take a colored printout of the same and I laminate it. This is again something which I've made myself at home, just to make him understand the number quantity difference, like how this is basically a number line. So just to make him understand that 0 is smaller in size and shape from 1. So just to give him a very early sense of measurement and number quantity. So this is skip counting by 10, which we have not started yet, but I have kind of put this in my checklist, because now he's started doing simple additions. So, and he's very keen to do math related things. So I kind of help him with these resources so that he's always engaged doing something productive. So these are the various worksheets that I have downloaded or maybe photocopied from other books. So As I told in my previous videos, my son reads a few sentences now. He can read basic sentences. He can read all his phonic words, knows the phonical rules. So I have started doing these kind of activities and worksheets with him, and he really enjoys. This is another maze activity which we've been doing for the past couple of months now. He really enjoys them, and this really develops the child's critical thinking and problem solving skills. So it's very important to for children to, you know, get into all of these activities from a very early age. I'll probably do a separate video on the kind of books which I have been using all this while to get, I don't refer to one single book. I have a bunch of them, and what I do is, like I said, I keep taking printouts from them, and whichever page I like, I just take a photocopy and laminate them. So that's it for this video, and I'll probably do a separate video on the interactive workbooks and the interactive worksheets that we do, that we have been doing for the past a year and a half, and how they have really helped Abhi to increase his cognition and his other developments in various reading, writing and math skills.